Hello everyone, welcome to this channel, and today I will discuss about the methods of collection of plant barks. So what is bark? So bark is the outermost layer of woody plants such as shrubs, trees, vines, and bark lies externally to the cambium in the roots and stems of the dicotyledons. So bark consists of both inner bark known as the phloem. The main function of phloem is transporting food from the leaves to various plant parts. And the outer bark is also known as the primary protective barrier of plant, composed of dead cells such as cork cells, which consist of suberin, which makes it waterproof. Now bark collection is generally carried out in the early summer or spring as the cambium is very active and it detaches easily and thin walled during these seasons. Now barks are collected by different methods such as coppicing method. So in this method the plant of adequate age or proper aged plants which are well grown, the stems are cut down from them at some distance from the ground level of the plant. Now the bark collection is done from the stem and bark of the cutting pieces, from the stem of the cutting pieces, stem and the branches of the cutting pieces. Then the remaining stems are grown again and shoots are cut down. After that bark collection is done as the previous process. Barks of cascara tree, cinnamon tree is collected by coppicing method. Felling method. Now here proper grown trees are cut down at base with an axe, that is in the ground level. Now longitudinal and transverse cuts are made on plant stem and branches and bark is collected. The bark of cherry tree and pine tree is collected by this method. The disadvantage of this method is that the whole plant is destroyed and the root bark is not utilized because the plant is already cut down at the ground level and the root dies ultimately. Next is uprooting. Here the stems of proper age and diameter is cut and root is also dug up. After that bark is collected from the branches, stems and roots. Barks of cinchona tree is collected by this method in some parts of the world, especially in Java. So these are different methods by which we can collect plant barks. And here I am ending my today's video. If you guys like my videos, please subscribe the channel. Please support me. Thanks for watching my video.